Hi, it's Christina here at Close to My Heart, and we're gonna take a look at our Craft with Heart card subscription. Now, this is our September through December kit, and it comes with the supplies to create 24 cards. It also includes a printed guide with really easy tips to create the cards. This really fun print that you can use as a card front itself or even on display. It comes with coordinating colored envelopes. In this instance, this kit includes gray envelopes because these just work perfectly with the colors that are featured in the card designs. And we have both 3x3 size and standard sized cards in this kit. Also included are our shaker window foam and acetate pieces along with our sequins because, as you can see here, there are some shaker cards included in this kit. We also include just the amount of ribbon that you need to create these cards, as well as an exclusive stamp set designed to work on these cards. And this stamp set is not only exclusive, but there's also 2 sentiments that fit on each card. So you have a little bit of variety to choose from as you create as well. We also include a sized block to work with all of the different stamps that are featured in this set, as well as a black ink pad to do your stamping. Now, the card bases for this kit all come pre-printed. How easy is this? So you just fold these on the score lines because they're pre-printed and pre-scored, and then you're ready to go with creating. Last and certainly not least are the die cuts. Now, these die cuts are so nice because all you have to do is just punch them out of the sheet and it tells you exactly what card it goes on. So creating these cards is really fast and simple, and your end creation is beautiful cards like you see here. Now, you would actually make 2 of each of these cards. You can see summer shakers. We have a variety of sentiments, many thanks, forever grateful for you. Thank you cards, we definitely use a lot of those, don't we? And you would create all of these in just this one kit.